Niba abantu bagabi bana mawulire badde ngamba oli akwata ebiyungu.
Manya what?
Okwata.
Bagabi bana mawulire bukabi
okwata.
Gwe okwata ki?
Ndo wa mawulire.
Antoni wa mawulire.
I'm not a journalist. I'm not a journalist.
Why are you recording? You are still recording. Why are you recording?
And which law restricts me from recording?
You are not allowed.
Who is allowed?
Journalists.
It's okay.
Okay.
So ballot box belongs to Kimanya what?
This is Kimanya Kabonera division. Kimanya Kabonera division.
Kimanya Kabonera
division. Kimanya ward.
Take Baroka.
Can we listen to one another? Because this is a very crucial point where we need to listen to one another.
Yes.
Kimanya what?
Yes. Kasijagirwa polling station. It is code 041. KWZ.
And he said the reference now is referred to as
code number 041.
041.
That is it.
Okay.
Who is reporting my life?
We don't see cast ballot papers in the box.
What was the previous the scores of each candidate on the previous tally sheet?
The tally sheet that we got out.
041.
Yes. 0000. All candidates had scored nothing.
When I voted from that polling station,
Yes.
at least in agenda physical.
There are many stations for Kasijagirwa, so maybe
mine is W. When W appears,
WK and then W2.
Bagisala? Box yo munyendo bagisala. Bagisala. Ya bajjuka bagisala abagisala bagisale
Baka babujanga mwe basuula. Kubola banti etteeka we munambide nti weetaaga wetteeka ng'abantu abo mugamu ne balikoolinga. Oteeka munda. Osobola omuntu weesinga oyo kati.
polling station ki? Polling station ki? Mugudde? Ati nse Resta Vocation Secondary School. Nayo temuli bululu
the new box obaje mwakabaro.
It's a new one.
It's not the one where you are counting the other one. This one needs a minute. This one needs a minute. There are no ballots. Yes.
There are papers there. There are ballot booklets.
They cannot kill these police presiding officer. They might have seen.
No, there are ballot booklets, but there are no ballot.
Then how shall they know?
Let them check in the papers. Go to the town. I think about on the other
having been found in one constituency, there is another question. Had it been in either constituency?
obutabo babukozesa bakozesaamu kano bakakozesa obululu temuli polling station ki bwala nze kasita